Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is Jay Monet. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you how I install and style this unit from HerGivenHair. This is in their blowout kinky straight texture and it's 20 inches. And I will post a little pop-up right here showing you guys the structure of the unit as well as the texture and natural sunlight, just so that you guys can get a better idea of what this texture looks like. It's so beautiful and natural. Be sure to check out the description box for coupon codes for their Black Friday sales so that you can get some money off of your purchase. So if you'd like to see how I style this unit, then keep on watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will catch you in my next video.